Before buying a Tesla Model Y floor mat, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Real buyers are definitely talking about how some mats just don't fit right, leaving your car vulnerable to dirt and spills. Product number 1: WEIZE All-Weather Cargo Liner. First up is the WEIZE 2025-2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper All-Weather Cargo Liner Floor Mats. Priced at $129.99, it caught my eye because it's labeled as a bestseller with a solid 4.5-star rating from nearly 1,900 reviews. If you want full coverage and organization for your interior, this is worth a serious look. What makes this product stand out is its 13-piece set that includes 9 all-weather floor mats and a 4-piece center console organizer. This means every inch of your Tesla's interior is protected, ensuring nothing gets through to your car's surfaces. The heavy-duty, waterproof material is designed to withstand spills and dirt, which is crucial if you have kids or pets. Plus, the anti-slip backing really helps keep the mats in place, so you won't be sliding around. Now, some users have mentioned that they had issues with the fit if they didn't remove their original mats first. Here's the thing though, if you follow the installation instructions, this mat set fits like a glove. It's an important reminder to not just layer on new mats. This is perfect for you if you value a complete interior protection solution. Skip this one if you have an older Model Y, as it's specifically designed for 2025-2026 models. Honestly, for the price, you're getting a solid set that keeps your Tesla looking new. Now, if you're concerned about the fit issue with the WEIZE mats, the next option might take a completely different approach. Product number 2: WEIZE Full Set Floor Mats. Next, we have another WEIZE product, the Tesla Model Y Juniper Floor Mats, priced at $129.99 as well. With a similar 4.5-star rating and 1,900 reviews, it's also been a bestseller. If you're looking for a durable and stylish option, this one deserves your attention. These mats are specifically designed for the latest Model Y Juniper, offering a perfect fit that covers both front and rear seating areas as well as the trunk. This precise fit protects against dirt and spills effectively. The mats are made of robust thermoplastic elastomer, which is not only waterproof but also incredibly easy to clean. A quick hose down after a muddy trip can keep them looking fresh. However, I found some users saying the mats could lift if installed over existing floor mats. But honestly, if you remove the old mats, you won't have that issue. It's all about following the installation guidelines. This is perfect for you if you want both functionality and style in your Tesla. Skip this if you have the older model, as it won't fit right. For the price, you're getting a reliable solution that looks good too. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing extra durability. Product number 3: Super Liner All-Weather Armor. Coming in at $119.97, the Super Liner 2025-2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper floor mats offer an interesting alternative. With a higher rating of 4.6 stars from 2,800 reviews, it's clear that many Tesla owners trust this product. If you're after a mat that can handle all kinds of weather, keep watching. The 2-inch raised edges trap spills, ensuring your car's interior stays clean. That's especially important if you're often driving in muddy or snowy conditions. Plus, the anti-slip design cuts down on shoe stains and makes it easy to clean in just 20 seconds. On the downside, some users reported that the mats could feel a bit stiff at first. But honestly, after using them for a while, they tend to soften up and mold better to your vehicle's shape. It's a small trade-off for the protection you're getting. This is perfect for you if you frequently deal with messy conditions. Skip this if you prefer a softer, more flexible mat right out of the box. Honestly, for the price, you're getting excellent all-weather protection. Now, if you like the features of the Super Liner but want something with even more coverage, stick around for the next product. Product number 4: Super Liner Custom Fit. Next, we have another offering from Super Liner, the Custom Fit All-Weather 12-piece set, costing $139.99. With a similar rating of 4.6 stars and nearly 2,900 reviews, this one is a favorite for those wanting complete coverage. If you want full protection for your Tesla's interior, this is worth considering. The precision-engineered design ensures every inch of your Tesla is covered, which is crucial for preventing spills and dirt from reaching the carpet. The high-edge barrier keeps liquids contained, making it perfect for families or pet owners. Plus, cleaning is simple, just wipe, hose off, or shake them out. However, some users mentioned that they had to trim the mats slightly for a perfect fit. But I think that's a minor inconvenience compared to the level of protection you're getting. This is perfect for you if you have kids or pets that can create messes. Skip this if you want a hassle-free installation without any adjustments. For the price, you're getting a comprehensive set that's hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something that ups the ante in terms of protection, our final product might just be the ultimate solution. Product number 5, Superliner Cabin Protect Pro. Finally, we have the Superliner Cabin Protect Pro priced at $249.98. This one boasts a 4.6-star rating from 2,800 reviews and is known for its extensive coverage. If you want the best protection available for your Model Y, this could be the one for you. This means you get comprehensive protection from dirt and spills, and it fits the 2025-2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper perfectly. Plus, the 5D laser scan fit minimizes gaps, ensuring everything stays clean. However, it's worth noting that this option is on the pricier side. Some might find that hard to justify. But honestly, if you prioritize protection and want to avoid any messes, the investment could really pay off. This is perfect for you if you want the absolute best in interior protection. Skip this if you're on a tight budget or prefer a simpler mat solution. While it might cost more, the peace of mind and protection you get is invaluable. To wrap up, we discussed the WEIZE All-Weather Cargo Liner, the WEIZE Full Set, the Superliner All-Weather Armor, the Superliner Custom Fit, and finally the Superliner Cabin Protect Pro. Each offers unique features, but it really comes down to your specific needs. Whether you prioritize complete coverage, ease of cleaning, or ultimate protection, there's a floor mat here for every Tesla Model Y owner.